If you have been following this series of how to choose your ideal affiliate marketing niche, by now you would have discovered that all niches are not created equal. Some niches have high profit markets, but demand more resources to build them up to the level of profitability and to maintain the tempo thereof, while others demand less. Are you interested in knowing how to assess your available resources and know if they can match the demands of the niche you are considering? If you are, then you are welcome to step 4 of the 5-step series of how to choose your ideal affiliate marketing niche. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam Chidebere. I'm the anchor of this channel, Smart Affiliates. In this channel, I provide you with the latest tips, tricks, and strategies for successful affiliate marketing. If you are a subscriber or regular visitor to this channel, I owe you a basket of gratitude. However, if this is the first time you are visiting this channel, my cap is up for you. But do me a favor, like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Also encourage me by subscribing to this channel so that you will be notified anytime I upload the next interesting video. Today is the 4th step in the series of 5 steps on how to choose your ideal niche for your affiliate marketing business. Let's get started. Okay, if you are a first timer, you have already missed 3 steps. I think it will make more meaning if you should go back and watch the previous 3 steps before watching this one. Go ahead and do that. We will be waiting for you. I will leave the links to the 3 steps in the description below. Congratulations on watching the previous 3 steps. Now that we are on the same page, let's go. Step 4. Consider your resources. When choosing a niche, it's very important to consider your resources, including time and budget. Some niches may require more time or financial investment than others, so it's important to choose the one that fits within your resources. This step will help you avoid burnout or financial strain down the line. These are the resources that you need to consider. 1. Time. Consider how much time you have available to dedicate to your affiliate marketing business. Don't just enter into the affiliate marketing business because your friends are in it. Some niches may require more time to research and create content than others. If you're doing a 9-to-5 job that is so demanding that you hardly have time for yourself, how then can you cope by adding another time-demanding business like affiliate marketing? Second resource, budget. Think about how much money you are willing to invest in your affiliate marketing business. Some niches may require more advertising spend or investment in tools and resources. If you are one of those that believe that affiliate marketing is an online business and therefore doesn't require any financial investment, my dear, you are grossly mistaken. Money begets money. When the amount of money generated in a business surpasses the amount invested in it, that's when the business is said to be profitable. In summary, to make your niche profitable, you may need to invest, at least to improve yourself. Third resource, skill set. Consider your existing skills and knowledge. Some niches may require specialized expertise or technical skills that you may not have. Most highly profitable niches may require high technical skills. It's either you have them already or you are prepared to learn them. Whatever niche you are in, skill is required to communicate effectively with your target audience. The fourth resource, network. Think about the connections and relationships you have within your industry. Some niches may require a strong network to build partnerships and collaborations with other businesses or influencers. Some of these connections and partnerships you may not have when starting, but you must bear in mind that you will need them later to grow your business. By considering these resources, you can choose a niche that aligns with your available resources and increase your chances of success in your affiliate marketing business. In the next video and the final step of this series, we will look at how to handle all the information you have gathered so far from step 1 to step 4 and make a final decision, choosing a niche. Remember, there's a text version of this topic. If you prefer to read it in written text, I will leave the link in the description below. If you want to fast-track the process of choosing your ideal niche, then download the robust checklist I have prepared for you. It's free. The link is in the description below. Get ready for the final video. Remember that you will only be notified when I upload the video if you have subscribed to this channel. So, hit the subscribe button below if you have not already done so. See you soon. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Also press the bell icon for notification for future great videos. Thank you.